Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a modern Ramadan poster design in Adobe Photoshop. The document size is 1080 by 1350. First, go to the adjustment layers and add a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Round its corners as much as possible. Add the white fill color to it. Press Ctrl+T and rotate it. Go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Link to the assets used in this design is mentioned in the description of the video. Right-click on its layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size and position. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the image layer. Go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Here, I need some manual adjustment. Switch to the Lasso tool, hold the Alt key to subtract from the selection, and Shift to add. Add a layer mask. Select the mask and use the brush tool to erase the extra parts. Now select the background layer. Select the brush tool. Add a blank layer. And apply it. Press Ctrl+T and adjust it. Add layer mask and smooth with the brush tool. Place the supporting images in the design. Follow me in that process. Select the Type tool and type your text. I already copied this Ramadan Kareem text from Google. Paste it into Photoshop. The font used is Mod Bold. I have the text ready and logo. Incorporate it directly into the design. Add a solid color adjustment layer on top in the layer panel. Change the blend mode to hue. And you can play with the colors with one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.